What's going on, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex Scarfe, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make easy no-bake cookie dough ball recipe. It's only 5 ingredients, and that's if you guys want to use the chocolate chips. If not, it can be 4 ingredients. Super easy, super simple, and delicious. So let's get right into the kitchen. All right, so the first thing you want to do for this recipe is add half a cup of peanut butter. Now you want to make sure it's natural peanut butter, no added oils, no added sugars. Now the next ingredient you want to add is a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Now what you want to do is just mix it up until it makes a paste. We have half a cup of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds, and about a 1/4 cups of vegan dark chocolate. Now you just want to mix it all up. So now you want to form a dough ball just like this. And we can let it sit for about 5-10 minutes, and we're going to start separating it into small little balls. So I'm just forming a little square, that way I can cut it into small little pieces and form my dough balls. So we got 12 dough balls. And here is the final product. All right, let's try one of these out. I don't know if it's focused, but really, really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.